What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we've been a little late on the uploads, but it's for good reason. My brother just got married and we had to go out to Wisconsin. A beautiful wedding. So yeah, we were out at the wedding, came back, had some other stuff going on, but we finally made it out on this gorgeous 25-degree day with 100-mile-an-hour winds. And it's been brutal out. But we made it down to our one little ace in the hole spot. So hopefully we can get a fish here, another fish. We caught a fish earlier, which you guys will see. And yeah, we'll see, Tony, what you have to say.
Well, you can see how cold it is out today. I'm not even fishing, forgot my reel, so I was like, all right, screw it. You know, I'll row, make a nice video, have a good time. It'll be fun. Everything's against us.
It's not been fun.
No, everything's against us today. It's kind of weird. We'll pull up to a new drift. We'll do one cast. It'll end up in a tree or snag. But
and it's cold.
Something crazy is going to happen soon.
Something in the oven.
I believe it.
Hooked up, first fish of the day. Whew. Looks like a pretty good one. It is cold, very cold. It's not what we want, but it's first fish. I feel like this always happens on those days that we're not catching fish. She always catches a shiner. Beautiful fish. Just not what we're after, but put up a great fight.
Hold on.
Alright everybody, I just wanted to hop in here real quick. I'm working on editing the video. We got two new channels, Carruthers Outdoors Podcast. It's going to be the podcast. We have a lot coming up, a lot of traveling, a lot of going out west, a lot of going down south. And the podcast is going to just, go over and cover everything. And we also have another second channel, Carruthers Outdoor Kitchen. And that's going to be about, cooking all wild game, game fish, saltwater fish, like deer, all upland birds, anything and everything, bear, everything. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna have both of those channels linked in the description of this video if you guys want to go check those out. Yeah, let's get back to the video. All right, so we're in a bit of a tight spot here. If I took 2 more steps out here, the water would be up to my neck. We got some pretty high flows today, so we'll just make them do with what spots we can get to. But the water looks amazing, so we'll see what happens. I got one. These feel very big. Let's do that now. Nice rainbow. Man, it got hard to land it here. You can't move around. Oh, it's not showing up too great. It's got some beautiful colors on it. Real purpley pink on them. This guy's got some real pretty pink purple on them. Gotta get him back in the water, let him go. Awesome, swim off strong. It's been brutal fishing. First time back out after those 20-degree temperatures out on the drift boat. So yeah, it's nice to make something happen, and we'll see if we can catch some more. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I know we didn't catch a ton of fish this video, but between the opportunities I've had to get out fishing and the conditions, it just have not been lining up. It's either been below freezing, very cold, or I was in Wisconsin. I was back here for Thanksgiving. First day of deer rifle season. I just haven't had a ton of time to be getting out and chasing fish. And then when I was getting out, it was terrible conditions, pouring rain. So, but we got more fishing to come. Next video is gonna be loaded with fish, so stay tuned.